Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Emem back with another video. So today is a hair tutorial. I'm going to be showing you guys how I get this slick back bun on my hair. It's very simple, it's very quick and easy. It's one of my favorite things to do. I actually had one that I did before, but now I've kind of figured out a way that makes it easier for myself, and so I'm going to be showing you that. So make sure to like this video. It really helps me out with the YouTube algorithm to push this video forward, so please be sure to like this video. Also comment down below if you have any questions. Subscribe to my channel if you're new. Thank you for being here, and I will get straight into the video right now. So the first thing that I do now is actually stretch my hair out, and the way that I do that is I put my hair in braids a day before or some time before so I can stretch out my hair. And this is something that I do because of how thick my hair is, so this helps me stretch it out and make it like easier for me to manage. The last time I did this style on my channel, it actually came out nicely, but I did it on very unstretched hair, very shrunken hair, and it was so hard for me to manage and actually get everything together. You needed a lot of like bobby pins and a lot of gel. So this time I decided to actually stretch my hair out. This is what I have started to do, and an easy heatless way that I do that is to braid my hair in small chunks, so that it can be stretched out. As you can see, this is actually like a little mini length check kind of thing right now. My hair has actually really grown a lot, which I'm really happy about. So yeah, this is something that I do now. As you can see, my hair is stretched out. The ends are not super shrunken and tight and together, because of how thick my 4C hair is. And so something that I did actually when I was braiding my hair is I actually created the part that I wanted, so that part was easier for me to just start what I was doing. But yeah, that's what my hair looks like right now, fully stretched out. Well, not fully, it could definitely be more stretched out if I use a blow dryer, but I definitely would rather do a heatless stretch out, and this is basically what we're going for, but more sleeked down. So I'm just cleaning up the part here into the little diagonal part that I created. I just decided to go diagonal this time because I was trying to feel adventurous. And so the products that I use are the Eco Styler gel, a hairbrush, kind of like a little toothbrush for your edges, some water, and that's all that I use. So very simple style to do. So the first thing that I did was to split one side into two so that I can lay down the back. This is because my hair is super thick, and if I just start doing from the front, the back will not be fully like set. It won't fully affect the back. So the first thing that I do, since my hair is dry, is to wet my hair a little bit. Definitely you have to wet your hair before you use gel on your hair because it's not going to set. You need it to be a little bit damp and wet. So now I'm just using the gel and basically just slapping on the gel there and rubbing it into my hair and trying to flatten it down as much as I can. And then I also use my brush to brush it down so that it can be as flat as I can make it. And now I'm moving on to the front. I also do the same thing, wet it with some water. You don't need the whole thing to be drenched, of course, because you don't even want it to shrink. Definitely don't let it shrink, just for you to wet it so that the gel would actually set into your hair. So now I'm putting a lot of gel on it. Just literally just put as much gel as you can to lay your hair down, especially if you have really thick hair like mine. So yeah, just keep laying your hair down, and definitely use the hairbrush. As you see, I'll pick up my hairbrush very soon to brush it down. So yeah, grab your hairbrush and brush your hair down as I'm doing. This definitely helps to lay it down. It's very important to have a hairbrush. Last time I did it, I actually didn't have like a good brush, so I'm very happy that I had one now. So definitely brush it in the direction that you want it to go. This is very important. It really helps. I also left a little bit of hair on the sides, just kind of a little cute messy kind of style, and then once you're done with that side, tie it up and then move on to the back and the other side. So as you can see, I'm working on the back here. I'm doing the exact same thing, spraying it with water, using gel, brushing it down. Y'all know the struggle of doing your hair, your neck, your arms, everything just aches, and so this is just me struggling through that. And then go on to the next side and do the exact same thing and brush your hair down into the style that you want it to be. I'm actually I'm really liking the diagonal part that I did. It's something very new for me. I've never done it before, and I think it actually came out really nicely. And then use your brush to brush it down. Definitely, if you want the little waves thing, you can definitely do that with your brush. I'm not really a big fan of that, to be honest. I just don't see the point of designing your edges. I don't know, it's just something that I don't like. But basically you can do that, which I'm actually going to do more of. So when you're done like focusing on the front, definitely brush the back in and then use your hair tie to just tie all the hair together at the nape of your neck. And now just take a breath, because finally you've finished the very first part of it. But you can see this style is usually quite easy to do. It's something that's so simple. So now I'm just brushing it more. It definitely helps just keep brushing. Add more gel as much as you need to keep laying it down and making sure that you have enough to really lay it down. And then the two like hair on the side, put some gel on your hands and just twist it and roll it in your hands and just let it be, and it's just going to dry into nice curls. Now I'm taking my toothbrush and trying to lay my edges back. As I said, I don't see the point of doing super like wavy styles. I literally just take my gel and just try to make it look neat, and that's basically just brushing it to the back, brushing it into your hair so that it looks nice and neat. Now grab your satin scarf. To be honest, I was using my pillowcase for this because I don't know where my satin scarf is. I'm literally in between homes right now, but yeah, I used my pillowcase and I tied my hair. And now this is after letting it dry for a while. I'm taking it off, and now as you can see, the hair is laid, especially at the front. It's fully laid and down. To be honest with you, I've never really been able to get that super shiny, sleek thing, and I don't think you need to do that, depending on your hair texture. As long as it looks neat and nice, I'm very comfortable with it because it definitely depends on your hair texture. Now I'm using, if you don't think your bun is big enough, definitely grab some kinky hair. I just used the Afro Beauty one in the color 2 and put a hair tie through it, tie it into your bun, and then just wrap it in. I actually usually just leave my hair the way it is because I think my hair is, full enough to have that. But this is just on the side. If you have like a smaller puff or a smaller bun with your hair, then you can just do this depending on the length of your hair. And now you've added extra hair into your bun. Your bun looks bigger and more put together. So this is definitely a style that you can do. I definitely use that a lot when my hair was shorter. And yeah, this is basically the whole style. I think it came out really nicely. Definitely tuck things in. If you need to use bobby pins, take out bobby pins and pin your hair into how you want it to look. But this is how it turned out. I really like how it looks. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found this helpful. And I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much. Have an amazing day. Comment down below, like this video, give me a like, subscribe to my channel if you're new. Thank you for being here, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.